I just finished my bobble with color B and I changed back to color A. Now I'm going to do 3 half double crochets in between the stitches. I'm going to go under the whole stitch. 3 half double crochet. 1, 2. Before I finish that one off, I'm going to drop the color A and grab color B and finish my half double crochet. I changed colors. Okay, I had dropped the color A. I'm going to kind of tuck it under my thumb here to get it out of the way and keep it on the back side. This is the wrong side of the wall hanging, so it's not very pretty. I just kind of carry my colors behind, and that's okay because if you see the front, the right side, you don't really see how I carried my yarn. Okay, so after my 3 half doubles, I'm going to do a bobble stitch. Sometimes I get confused and think that this is the next stitch, but that is the stitch used by this half double crochet. So you want to go make sure to go here, do a bobble stitch. A bobble stitch is 5 partial half double crochets worked into the same stitch. And then before I finish it off, I drop the blue, drop color B, and grab color A. And then I tuck color B with my thumb here, and then do 3 half double crochets.